इतना कूल है ना ये, सॉरी गैंगस्टर. Hi guys, I'm Upaasana and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm going to share everything that I got recently from Amazon. This is going to be a very छोटू सा haul video, but believe me when I say this कि मैंने इतनी सस्ती और इतनी भयंकर अच्छी चीजें खरीदी हैं कि this is going to be worth it. मतलब sweet but useful. And more than the video, shut up, more than the video, I feel like you need to go down in the description box and get your hands on all of the stuff that I got. Okay, without wasting any more time, let's get started with the video. So the first thing that I got from Amazon is something that is not at all related to fashion but is incredibly necessary for everyone to have. I keep one in my nightstand and one in my bag, as in wherever I'm going. So this is it. I keep this pepper spray, this Empower Defense Spray pepper wala. Just having this is gonna make you feel really confident, थोड़ा सा safe अपनी तरफ से भी. So and also please take self defense classes क्योंकि आज की डेट में हम इतनी सारी खबरें सुन रहे हैं ना कि बहुत ही ज़्यादा scary हो जाता है. So anyways, without wasting any more time, let's get started with the actual fashion haul. So the first thing that I got from Amazon is this cute, really nice bucket hat, or this is in cow print as you can see, and I got it to match with my t-shirt. I'm gonna do like a proper सबसे ज़्यादा cool t-shirt वाला haul which I think you guys need. I'm gonna put the prices on the screen. This was really inexpensive and it kind of elevates your look really nicely, even if you feel like just wearing a baggy black color ki t-shirt with shorts or leggings, anything you like. Just pair it with nice shoes and I think you're good, as in chunky white shoes, and this kind of completes your outfit and I am in love with it. Now on to the second item, which is this plain white one, and I have been wearing this a lot, believe me. Matlab, I am a big fan of bucket hats now. So now that we're done talking about the hats, let's move on to the jewelry. As you can see, I have all everything on right now. So I got this necklace. This looks insane. I know. I got this and I also got one which is like exactly similar. Actually ये वाला जो है ना ये set था. I got this and a golden one इसके अंदर. ये these are like exactly same. तो इसीलिए मैं पहन के बैठ गई कि देख लेना कि कैसा लग रहा है. And I have this golden one as well and I think these are really trendy right now. ये ताला चाबी और ये chain वगैरह. And I think this looks really cool. मतलब just look at how it elevates भी क्या मतलब, it makes you look very bougie, very luxurious maybe. Basically it kind of adds a lot to your outfit and बहुत trendy है और बहुत सस्ते भी थे कि मैंने दो लिया. I think 219 में 219 rupees के अंदर, which is amazing man. Go ahead, buy it. Then I got these like two set of rings. Again ये भी दोनों package के अंदर थे, combo था. मैंने एक ये वाले लिए हैं और ये ऐसे box के अंदर आए थे. And I got a set of gold wale so that these can go with that wala. So this is what they look like. I am in love with them. Believe me, इतना cool है ना ये. Sorry, इतना cool है ना ये. क्या बताऊँ? Next up we have. I think I'm almost done with the haul. But next up we have another fashion stuff, which is this corset belt. And man, I thought मतलब बहुत ही बेकार सी क्वालिटी आएगी, पहना भी नहीं जाएगा, पता नहीं कैसे होगा कैसे नहीं होगा. But oh my god, look at that. Oh my god, my tummy is all gone. I feel like बहुत ही ज़्यादा हो चुका है. वो वैसे जाने नहीं वाला है बहुत जल्दी कहीं पे भी, क्योंकि मैं एक्सरसाइज नहीं करती हूँ ना और मैं बिल्कुल ऑफ ट्रैक जा रही हूँ. तो वापस आते हैं. This is what the belt looks like and I think it kind of makes a really cool, बहुत ही अच्छा outfit and it was very inexpensive and I'm really glad that I invested in this because मैं बहुत ही ज़्यादा ऐसे शुगर था. Instagram में हर कोई corset पहन के घूम रहा है. I only have one, वो भी black leather वाला जिसमें मैं गर्मी से मर जाऊंगी. तो yeah, इसलिए मैंने quick fix लिया है सस्ते में. Now on to the last item of this haul, which is like the star purchase. I finally got myself yellow shoes. Oh my god, I can't believe. मतलब दिख रहा है ना कि मैं कितनी खुश हूँ. मैं इनको पहन चुकी हूँ already. और भी इसी के साथ पहना था मैंने, and I can't wait to wear them again. This is what they look like. They're really cool. मतलब they are the best. कुछ भी पहन लो, just wear this and like add a couple of accessories and you're good to go, man. और ये इतने सस्ते थे. Buy what chunky yellow shoes. Ooh la la. So I think that is it for today's video. I hope you guys liked it, and if you did, then don't forget to hit that like button and also subscribe to my channel for more such videos, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Till then, bye.